Here's some Hana Matsuri trivia. Subscribe. What date is the Hana Matsuri celebrated? Is it A, April 8th, B, December 25th, C, May 1st, or D, March 15th? The correct answer is A, April 8th. In which country is Hana Matsuri primarily observed? Is it A, Japan, B, Thailand, C, China, or D, South Korea? The correct answer is Japan. What do people pour over statues during this festival? Is it A, water, B, syrup, C, lemonade, or D, sweet tea? The correct answer is D, sweet tea. Which religion observes Hana Matsuri? Is it A, Hinduism, B, Christianity, C, Shinto, or D, Buddhism? The correct answer is D, Buddhism. What traditional food is often consumed during the festival? Is it A, takoyaki, B, ramen, C, Kashiwa mochi, or D, sushi? The correct answer is C, Kashiwa mochi. What is the Japanese term for Buddha? Is it A, Butsu, B, Kami, C, Shinto, or D, Mu? The correct answer is A, Butsu. Which city hosts a famous Hana Matsuri parade? Is it A, Tokyo, B, Nagoya, C, Kyoto, or D, Osaka? The correct answer is C, Kyoto. What is the goal of the flower offerings? Is it A, to decorate altars, B, to attract bees, C, to honor Buddha, or D, to impress guests? The correct answer is C, to honor Buddha. What activity involves releasing animals during the festival? Is it A, animal rescue, B, animal liberation, C, pet adoption, or D, wildlife hunt? The correct answer is B, animal liberation. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.